Hello, and welcome to this introduction to the AdaptiveGRC Solution Suite. Do you know what your risks are? Are you being surprised by things you should have been aware of but are not? Maybe compliance incidents, privacy incidents, risks from vendors. You don't know what you don't know, but interestingly enough, quite often, sometimes you don't know what you do know. We can often be looking at disparate parts of the same picture, but get a misleading idea of the big picture. In the allegory of the blindfolded man and the elephant, each person touches a different part of the elephant and has very different experiences, all of which feel true. It's a tree, they say, when they're feeling the trunk. It's a piece of rope, says the person feeling the tail. It's a building, for the person feeling the side. But in the big picture, it's actually an elephant. If we apply this to our organizations, your issues can look like they can come from different places. It might look like a data privacy issue, an information security issue, poor training, supplier performance, policy gaps, but the big picture can actually be different. For example, if we look at results of an individual assessment, we can have seemingly unrelated issues that look like they stand alone, but if we synchronize our data, we could discover that those separate issues have a common root cause, something that would never have been apparent otherwise. Without AdaptiveGRC, you can't get to the big picture and you can't protect yourself against significant, yet currently undetected risks. As examples of not understanding these risks, major brands are suffering very public compliance and risk incidents. These are avoidable if we'd put the data together and seen the big picture. However, they're invisible if your current systems cannot synchronize your GRC processes and data. Most GRC solutions comprise of a number of separate applications and databases built to service the demands of individual GRC activities. The big picture remains invisible, unclear, or unreachable. AdaptiveGRC is different. We built our solution as a flexible, synchronized, and comprehensive platform. That means your governance, your risk management, your compliance activities can all share data and information instantly. Imagine you had all of your information in one place using synchronized processes. You could see not only your overall compliance exposure, but filter that view by your KPI values. Reports and analysis in real time. It would be easier to identify emerging risks and priorities for investment. And you could use different lenses to filter and drill down your risk universe. That would create significant monetary savings, reduce time and resource overheads to collect information, earlier visibility and management of risks, more efficient GRC processes. Because AdaptiveGRC is ready to roll out of the box, it is also a solution that can act as a catalyst to help accelerate the rapid transformation of your GRC executive reporting. It can also be a catalyst to efficiency improvements in your operational, governance, risk management and compliance activities. There's no need to spend years setting up your comprehensive GRC solution. We provide a fully comprehensive and operational enterprise GRC solution out of the box. You can use it right away, or configure and deploy it gradually to meet your organization's requirements. The power and configurability of AdaptiveGRC means that we have customers in all kinds of industry sectors. So, whether or not you're a small enterprise or a major multinational organization, we have a solution that will work for you. Thank you for watching. To find out more, contact us using one of the methods on screen.